Hello folks, here are the top 5 carry-on luggage of 2021. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
20-inch expandable hardshell rolling carry-on. Enjoy effortless movement with its easy glide wheels that offer 360-degree mobility. It has a fully lined interior with an accessory pocket and other pockets, as well as straps to hold your contents in place. This luggage expands to give you up to 25% more storage. Enjoy a convenient cup or phone holder and a USB port for charging, located on the back of the luggage. Multiple color options available.
And the number 1 is